So near that water tower there's this weird alien bird thing, looking like a jellyfish, doing its thing. And I thought it was a kite, but that's definitely not a kite. But I'm also not convinced it's a bird, so I don't really know what's going on over there. Super strange. It's gotta be a bird, but like, do you see flapping wings? I don't. Do you think it's a kite? I wonder. Anyways, I thought I was gonna get hit by that airplane. The angle looked like it was going straight for the bird earlier. Look at the sky jellyfish. Oh, that bird's gonna be hit by an airplane. That's what it looks like. Is that a kite? That can't be a kite. That's gotta be a bird. It's an actual bird. Is that an alien?